Hi, I'm Nash, and I'm a Mayvenn certified stylist, and we're gonna walk you through the process on how to create baby hairs on your lace front wig.
First, smooth the natural hairline so that it will blend underneath the lace. Always make sure you set and dry the hairline before putting on your wig. Next, trim the lace to match the shape of your natural hairline. Use mousse or setting lotion to smooth the hair before trimming around the hairline to create your baby hair. That same product that comes in handy when laying down the baby hair for your desired look also helps to blend in the lace. And voila, you have your custom baby hairs.